Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set a master password in Firefox. So if you want to protect your safe passwords in Firefox, setting a master password, now called a primary password, adds an extra layer of security. So here's how to set it up. So open Firefox, click the menu in the top right, scroll down and tap on Settings. Now in the left sidebar, click Privacy and Security. Scroll down to the Logins and Password section. And in here, check the box for Use a Primary Password. Tap on it. Now a pop-up will appear and you need to enter your new password. Re-enter your new password. Once done, click on OK and this password will be required to access safe logins. So take note that you'll need this password whenever Firefox accesses saved passwords. If you forget it, you may lose access to stored logins, and choose a strong but memorable password. You can also uncheck this option, use a primary password, to remove it. So if you click that, you need to enter your current password and click on remove, click on OK, and you have now removed the password. And that's it. Thanks for watching.